What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to another Monday episode. I'm glad to have you here with me. Today I want to show you guys how to leverage Instagram to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. You can't upload an entire video to Instagram, so you're gonna have to cut a trailer that's 1 minute or less. And you're gonna have to make it pretty visually interesting because Instagram is a visual platform. People might not even listen to the audio of your video, so you're gonna have to hook them with the visuals. You might be asking, how do I upload my videos from my computer to Instagram? It's super easy. We have to use our phone as a shortstop, and we're gonna use AirDrop. And if you're on an Android device, you can use AirDroid or Dropbox. So once you've airdropped your videos or photos from your computer to your phone, then you can go ahead and upload straight to Instagram. Unlike YouTube, hashtags or tags are extremely helpful on Instagram for getting people's eyeballs on your work. With a new feature on Instagram, you can even add hashtags in your bio, which is pretty awesome. So what you want to do is write a catchy little title with some hashtags that reference your video. After that, you'll want to point to the full video link. Now, you don't necessarily have to actually point to it with like an emoji or anything, but it's not gonna hurt. Next, we're gonna head over to the Notes app on our phone, and we're gonna write ourselves a catchy description. On the next line down, you're gonna say full link in bio. Then you're gonna hit enter and put a period, enter, put a period, enter, put a period, and you're gonna do that 5 times so that you have a period on 5 lines. Then we're gonna start writing our hashtags. All it does is clean up your description space on Instagram. So instead of seeing a bunch of different hashtags, what you do see is a little box with 3 periods in it, and it still rates your videos for those hashtags, but it's a more clean look. You really wanna write tags that only describe your video. You don't wanna use tags that are something like hashtag President of the United States when you're showing a video that is how to shoot cinematic footage with a cell phone. It's not really gonna give your footage that much of a bump, and people really aren't gonna want to see that. Last step, we're gonna upload our trailer using our phone. Be sure to hit the widescreen button so it doesn't crop your video. It'll squeeze it down into the space that it needs to be. You're gonna wanna take and you're gonna copy and paste the description and tags and all of that stuff that we created in the Notes app into your Instagram description. You're gonna wanna tag your location so you get a little bump in local interest, and then you can share to other platforms like Twitter and Facebook and Tumblr. And then from there, all you need to do is hit share. And as the comments roll in, you want to reply to your comments and try and make those as conversational as possible so you keep people on your post. And you guys thought Instagramming was easy. It takes a little bit of planning and it takes some hard work, but if you want to drive some traffic to your YouTube videos, here's a surefire way to do it. Thanks for hanging out with me on this Monday. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for brand new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We'll see you guys later.
What? You guys thought I forgot about the t-shirt contest? Definitely not. It's not like I forgot to film this segment days ago when I filmed this actual video. It's not like I went downstairs and I dug out all the clothes that I wore that day and put them back on just to film this segment. That didn't happen. Watchdog75, congratulations. You are the winner of a t-shirt. So head on over to the Hustle More shop, see which one's your favorite, and I'll send you my email so you can get at me with sizing specifics and shipping. And Ed Saxton, I'm also gonna send you a t-shirt because that was the funniest comment in the entire thread. Gave me a good laugh. So thank you guys both and all of you for your support. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time.